Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting Steam and Windows current. This reduces driver conflicts. Next, plug your DualSense via USB-C or press PS and create to pair over Bluetooth. Choose the PC in Settings. Once connected, open Steam, go to Settings, then Controller, and turn on PlayStation configuration support. This lets Steam present the controller as a PlayStation device, so games see the correct layout. Once done, Steam can remap inputs and pass advanced features to the game, so make sure that support is enabled before proceeding. With Steam recognizing your DualSense, add Red Dead Redemption 2 to your Steam library if it's not there already by selecting Add a Game at a non-Steam game. Then right-click RDR2, open Controller Configuration, and pick a PlayStation template or create one. This maps face buttons, triggers, and sticks correctly. Test each input from that menu and adjust stick dead zones or trigger curves to avoid drift. Once you're satisfied, save the profile to the cloud so your mappings persist across sessions and devices. Now launch Red Dead Redemption 2 from Steam. This ensures Steam input provides the controller profile to the game. In RDR2 settings, open controller options, calibrate sensitivity, set dead zones, and switch axis inversion if it feels backward. Make small adjustments, test in free roam, and save changes. If the controller acts oddly, close third-party tools like DS4 Windows, repair the DualSense, or plug in via USB to force a stable connection. That single tip resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.